following is type another variety. Total number of integral solutions for the following. First question. A plus B equivalent to 4. A and B are greater than or equivalent to 1. When I say that A and B are greater than or equivalent to 1, I am actually finding the natural number solutions. I am finding the natural number solutions. Natural number solutions. Natural number solutions. Now see here, one method to solve is A plus B equivalent to 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Total how many is 3. 3 natural number solutions. Method 2. Listen carefully here. A plus B is 4. Assume that there are 4 balls. How many gaps are there? There are 3 gaps. There are 3 gaps. If I select this gap, this will become 1 plus 3. 1 ball plus 3 ball 4. If I select this gap, 2 plus 2. If I select this gap, 3 plus 1. That means out of 4, if I place 4 balls in a line, there are 3 spaces. Selecting any one space, I am getting one solution. 3C1 is 3. One more example. A plus B equivalent to 7. A and B are greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B is 7. That means there are 7 balls. How many spaces are there? 6. How many spaces? 6 spaces are there in between. Out of these 6 spaces, select any one space. 6C1 is 6. Let's take this. A plus B is 7, AB greater than or equivalent to 1. If there are 7 balls, there are 6 spaces. Select any one space. See here. 3x plus 4y equivalent to 16. xy greater than or equivalent to 1. xy greater than or equivalent to 1. Now see here. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. X should be divisible by 4. Suppose for example 8 plus 12 equivalent to 20. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. 8 should be divisible by 4, right? Now similarly 12 plus 15 is 27. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. 15 is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Y should be 3b. 12 plus 12b equivalent to 16. A plus B equivalent to 5. 5 means 5 balls are there. How many spaces? 4. Select any one. 4 symbol 4. One more question. See here. 5x plus 12y equivalent to 600. X and y are greater than or equivalent to 1. Divisible by 12, divisible by 12. X will be 12a. Divisible by 5, divisible by 5. Y will be 5b. 60a plus 60b equivalent to 600. A plus B equivalent to 10. 10 will be 9c. Another one